Hello, this is Michael with Kiefler Lightning Protection here with a little demonstration video. Here's a primary bond to a handrail. Joe here is cleaning the paint off with a 3M scrubby wheel, applying the Deox to the area. It's a rust inhibitor, really good stuff. It kind of turns hard a little bit after a while, and use self-tapping screws to fasten the bonding lug to the handrail. Here he's hooking up the conductor, and then he'll branch over and splice onto the main conductor running along the parapet cap there. Making sure it's good and tight, and then he'll put a parallel splicer on here. Pretty simple application. But if you notice how neat everything is, and that's what we like to see. We see some people put these systems together and it's pretty sloppy, it doesn't look good. So here's a secondary bond to the coping cap, parapet cap. He's putting on secondary conductor to a secondary bonding lug. Here he'll clean the paint down to shiny metal with the 3M scrubby wheel. These things work really well. And then the secondary conductor, it's all UL listed conductors, whether it's secondary or primary. Another self-tapping screw into the flashing. Now he'll take a parallel splice and splice that secondary conductor to the primary conductor for a nice clean job. You can see how nice this looks when he's finished here. Thanks for watching.